how to add shortcut in Google Chrome. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, this is the shortcut section of Google Chrome, and let's just say you are into the youtube.com platform. You just have to simply copy this link from here and go to your new tab and click on add shortcut and name the shortcut like YouTube, and then paste the link here. And after that, you can just click on done, and as you can see, the shortcut is already created. So you can add multiple shortcuts from here, and when the shortcut is full and there is no more place to add shortcuts from, so you can just click on three dot from here icon, and you can remove the shortcut from there and click on again on the add shortcut button and name the shortcut and then paste the URL here, and that's how you can add a shortcut on your Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.